Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a couple of VRs. The first one is for Laura over at Laura's Plans and Crafts. She is hosting a birthday / graduation celebration. And Laura, congratulations on your graduation, and I hope you have a wonderful birthday. She is hosting a challenge where you can send in a card that is themed, a 2-layered die cut, or a 2-layered sentiment. You can receive up to 3 entries, and it's due August 1st. I will be sure to link Laura's channel down below so you can check out all of the details for her birthday graduation celebration requirements. This is the mail that I am going to be sending to Laura. This is the card that I made for her graduation. I did make a themed card. It's a thank you card. I have been using the ephemera packs from Joann's. I'm finding that I have a lot of miscellaneous papers that match the ephemera, and it has been great to make cards. I did leave the inside blank, and I am sending an envelope to go with it. I also made some layered sentiment die cuts. This is the happy birthday one. I love the size of this happy birthday die cut. I also created these 2 die cuts using one of my Sizzix dies. I did use some embossing folders and a paper crimper for more detail, as well as some sparkly paper. These are a great size. I do have a video coming up showing how I made these backs using my brother's scanning cut, so they are a really nice heavy duty, and these will be the perfect size to make a card. Hopefully she will be able to use those, and I'm also sending a selection of dewdrops that match the die cuts that I am sending her. And that is my entry for Laura. My next VR is for Martha over at Martha Makes Art. She is doing a push to 800 subbies. She is requesting a VR, and if you're in the US, you do not have to send in a project. I will have Martha's channel linked down below where you can check out her video for all of the details. I decided that I did want to send her an ATC card. This is the card that I made for her. On the inside, this is my ATC card. Again, this is using the ephemera from the Joann's, the big box of it. I have some information on the back. I am sending her this ATC card, and I'm also sharing a selection of dewdrops. And those are my entries for Martha over at Martha Makes Art and Laura at Laura's Plans and Crafts. Both their channels will be linked down below. Thank you both so much for having these fun challenges. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.